Hello, this is Lucas here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today I'm showing you the 2025 250 Sunliner from Harris. This color is going to be the white main fence with a black stripe, paired with a black rub rail. Walking down the side of the boat here, this has the new electric bimini. The new lily pad system is going to be paired with a 300 horsepower engine. JL audio system. This is the single lounger with the dual helm. Nice helm here for the driver, big Simrad screen, built-in phone charger, JL head unit, massive in-tune storage, plenty of seating for all your family and friends, phone chargers and the cup holders. Again, both sides, phone chargers and the cup holders. Big O subwoofer from JL Audio there. A great viewing of your captain's chairs and co-captain's chairs. Walking back, multi-positional lounger on the sun pad, paired with the safety chains in the back to hold your bumpers. This is the 2025 Harris 250 Sunliner. My name is Lucas. Give me a call here today at MarineMax.